This video, we're going to be talking about how to reset USAA password or online ID. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the USAA application, simply go ahead and do that and open it. Now, once you open it, click on log on and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and tap on I need help logging on right over here. And now if you forgot your online ID, you can click on recover my online ID up top. When you do that, you're going to be taken to this page where you want to enter your social security number, your phone number, and click on text online ID, and they're going to send you the online ID on your mobile number. If you forgot your password, it's the same process. Go ahead into reset my password and then enter your online ID and your phone number. They'll send you a verification link and or a secure link to mobile number in order to go ahead and reset your password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.